If you have been waiting for zones to be returned to be hit, and then take trades to go forward, you've been doing it the wrong way. Let me show you. Now let me show you this how it looks on the charts. Look at this. If you see this on the charts, these are boxes that literally had created demand zones. And look at this. If I inverted the charts, it would be the same for supply zones. So what I'm trying to show you is this: if you even just simply draw boxes from the swing low to the swing high of any supply zone and trade it through the low of the box, you literally will be able to get into proper trades, especially from the very top of the market. It happens on all time frames. It happens across all markets. It doesn't matter, right? It's literally the same thing happening over and over and over again. So your job now is not to wait on price to return to a zone. It's literally to get involved when those zones are created. And once you do that, you literally ride that out, and you'll be able to get into some crazy trades. Now, if you have the higher time frame confluences, you'll be able to easily get 1 to 10s, 1 to 20s, 1 to 30s. These things are not uncommon to us, especially over here in the Discord. It's not uncommon to us. We literally see this thing all the time. When we do get our alert,
God have mercy upon us.
When we get our alerts, we literally know it's go time. And once it's go time, we can get into a trade that's possibly going to carry us straight to 1 to 10, 1 to 20, 1 to 30, whatever the case is. But we see it happen all the time. So now my job is literally just to show you, hey, this is how you can approach the market right now to change the ways in which you've been approaching it before, which to me is literally the incorrect way. I know, because I literally been doing this for a long time now. So with my experience, I'm able to tell you, hey, this is how I used to do it. This is how I'm doing it now. And I'm now profitable, and I can do the same for you. Carry you there in that short period of time. You know what I mean? So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, because there's a lot of information. There's a lot of value that I have here to give to you guys. If you want to join the Discord, of course you can. You have a free membership that you can get into. And then to get access to the Annovate indicator, you literally have to become a premium member. But right now I can give you a 7-day free trial, and that makes a lot of sense. Even if you just want to test it out to see how the system works. My indicator literally simplifies what I just explained in this entire video. It literally helps you quick. Like, we're talking about getting you profitable within a week or 2 weeks max. So if you just apply yourself, if you stay disciplined, if you stay focused, you literally can get there. And I'm only here to provide as much value as I can to you. Big up yourself, Tev. Peace.